I'll hold you when you get scared, kissing the backseat, going nowhere, missing your family, then I hear, wishing you knew how much I care, wishing you knew how much I care, how much I care. Is there a way to hold the stare? Soon kids in the backseat sleeping with no care. So let's dream our dreams and we'll go far, kissing the backseat of my car. Yeah.
Moral of the story: if you have a dream, take it to its fullest extent. Never let anyone tell you that you can't do it, even if it's just falling in love. Work hard at it. Do your best. Always pursue it.